Hello, Paul and Ryan from Resilient Training Lab here, and today we're going to continue to look at ways to progress our bodyweight exercises. So a lot of us are stuck at home with minimal equipment, and we need ways to progress our workouts because we want to make sure that our workouts are getting a little bit harder each week and that we are using progressive overload to make sure that we are continuing to progress in and adapt to our workouts and that we're not just spinning our wheels. So yesterday we looked at tempo work, and today we're going to look at pauses. So you can add pauses anywhere in your movement to any exercise and it'll make the movement harder. So Ryan's going to show us some squats with some pauses at the bottom. So he's going to do a 3-second pause at the bottom and then come back up. So you can pause as long as you want. You can start with 3 seconds. You can work your way up 5 seconds, 10 seconds, a minute. You can spend a really long time down here and it'll be extremely difficult. You can also practice pauses in different positions. Say you have a part of your squat that you normally really struggle in. Maybe it's 3/4 of the way up. You start to really pitch forward normally in your regular squats. So Ryan's going to do his squat, pause right in that spot that he struggles with, and then finish his squat. So you can bring those pauses anywhere in the squat. You can do multiple pauses in a squat. We can do pauses on the way up, 2 pauses, 1 halfway up, 1 3/4 of the way up, and finish. You could do pauses on the way down, pause, do another pause at the bottom, 2 pauses on the way up, pause, and pause. So these pauses are really going to cause you to slow down your motion, really own those positions, spend more time in those positions, create more time under tension, and make the exercise harder. You can also do this in push-ups. So let's throw some push-up pauses. Same idea, as long as you want to pause and then come back up. You can pause in different parts, pause halfway, pause 3/4 of the way, pause on the way up, pause on the way down. Got plenty of options. You can even start to combine your tempos and your pauses, where you're doing tempo down, pausing at the bottom, tempo back up. You have unlimited options here, so you can really start to play around with things, find what variations are hard for you, and step it up so that you're bringing all your sets pretty close to failure.